Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. If you are an overpacker like me, then you need to get these packing cubes from Easortm. They have completely changed the way that I travel now. This 11-piece set was absolutely perfect for my 9-day European vacation I just took. It had everything that I needed, and I really appreciated the design of this product. It came with one large, two medium, and a small of the regular packing cubes that have the mesh top so you can see what's inside. I used the rolling method so I could see all of my things all at once, and they fit in my suitcase so perfectly. It also came with 3 shoe bags, which is so great so you don't get your dirty shoes all over your clothes. It also came with this great dirty laundry bag with 3 other different travel baggies that you can use for a variety of things. So if you are traveling soon, I think you should definitely pick up a set of these packing cubes. They have absolutely changed the game for me. I cannot recommend them highly enough. They are such good quality. I think that they make traveling so much easier, but that's just my point of view.